Talking about cleaning, let me tell you about today's sponsor, which is the Subaru BlueNexus robotic pool cleaner. It's basically like a smart robot vacuum cleaner that you have in your house, but in your pool. It's got precise positioning with GeoGuru. It's got ultrasonic and infrared laser integrated ranging sensors with advanced underwater slam technology. What does that mean? Well, it's basically the technology that autonomous cars use today that lets you track obstacles. So it will basically 3D map your entire pool so it can avoid obstacles and actually know where it's actually going. So look, it's currently doing a mapping, same thing as you would do something like, you know, robot vacuum in your house. It's currently doing it. So it's just going through all the pool, so it will actually know how big the pool actually is. You've got a couple different cleaning modes. In fact, we've got 4. We've got smart cleaning, floor cleaning, wall cleaning, and all around cleaning. Yes, you heard that right. Wall cleaning. It will actually go in the walls. It's like Spider-Man. The smart mode is honestly my favorite because you just put it on and it automatically does its own thing. So you basically don't really have to worry about it. It's a 100-watt power suction motor. Basically means that all the crap in your pool, it's got so much power that it will suck everything up. So it's suitable for families' pool of all sizes, shapes, and materials. It tackles leaves, hair, particles, tiny rocks, whatever. I mean, if your kid drops something, it will suck it up as well. What's crazy is that Subaru has actually done this experiment that they've actually put 20-centimeter leaves and it sucks it up as well. And you know what sucks about other robot pool cleaners is that you've got this really long cable and then you gotta charge it somewhere. This one, you just gotta charge it in to charge it, and then it's actually got a battery life. You just put it in and it does its own thing. I mean, look at it. It just does its own thing. Apart from all of that, you've got 3.5 hours of battery life. It's super easy to clean and maintain. You've also got the Subaru app on your iPhone, which will let you view the cleaning process in real time with statistics, or if there's anything that got stuck in the actual robot, it will let you know. All right, let me give you a hands-on on the product itself. The first thing you gotta know is if you lift this tab up, you get all the, you know, all the dirt inside of it. Check this out. I mean, this pool right now is super clean. Check how much dirt it actually got. So it sucks up a bunch. This right here is where you charge it. This is the actual turbine. And this right here is where you turn it on. This is where you change the mode. You've got 4 different modes. 1, 2, 3. And this is where you change the time. If you wanted to only vacuum, well, vacuum for an hour and a half, 2 hours, or 2 hours and a half, you can just change the modes. The wheels are super grippy. This is how you actually hold it, and I like how heavy it is, and I mean it as a good thing. And these are the actual sensors that will actually map your entire pool. And yeah, that's a quick look on the design. So yeah, if you're interested in the BlueNexus pool cleaner, links are down below in the description. I mean, if you want to have a smart home, or if you want to have a smart pool and make your pool clean for you, you gotta get this guy. I mean, it's honestly amazing.